just hold up and wait a minute, because I haven't even done anything to this wig except for just literally place it on my head with the wig fix she gave me. But y'all, 28 inches, she meant that, because this literally goes all the way to the middle of my butt. The hair is so soft, and this is not like a paid collab or anything. She just wanted me to try out her wigs, y'all. All that stuff, I'm gonna do that now so that I get that out of the way so that I can focus on you guys. So again, not again, but the hair that I'm wearing today is from Curls for Crowns. And
hey y'all, what's poppin', what's good? It's your girl Tasha, and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to show you how I created this 7x7 closure wig. A 7x7 closure wig is a lot bigger than a 5x5 closure. You kind of have to actually treat this 7x7 closure as a mini frontal. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I had trouble. I had to rest at one point because it was giving me so much trouble. But the mannequin head that you use really does matter. So the one that I'm using, I will link down below. You guys have to make sure that the mannequin head is flat on top. It cannot be curved or anything of that sort. It has to be flat like the one I have in this video. So yes, I will leave the link down in the description box for y'all of the exact mannequin that I have. I have a 22-inch mannequin head, but they come in different sizes. So you guys will see at the end that I will try this wig on, even though it is for somebody else. But what I like to do is, because I don't have any other mannequin heads, I like to test it on myself and then differentiate how big the elastic band should be for said client. So yes, I'm just showing y'all how I sew the closure. I like to start on one side. So I like to start on the right side first. I make my way to the left side, and then I connect the back. So I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do wigs, but this is me just sewing in the wefts to the wig cap. I just wanted to slow this part down to show you guys exactly how I fold over my wefts. I do not cut them until the very end, because I find that I have a technique where I can make the wefts very, very flat. And with the wefts that I do use, they are very thin. So they're not the thick ones that are very hard to bend. They are easy to bend because the weft is thin enough for it to bend. And again, it's not bulky. So I'm allowed to do the fold over method without creating any bulkiness to the wigs. So I do double weft the first bundle or two. Hopefully you guys can actually just see exactly what I'm doing, because I double weft it. Before I get to the very end, I like to split it in half and fold over one side of the weft, continue on the other side until the edge of the wig cap, fold over that one, and then continue to put them together until I get to the very top, which you guys will see in the near future. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, y'all, and let me know if you guys are enjoying this video. So this is me just showing you how exactly I liked to close my wigs at the very top. Again, I do not cut them until the very end. I like to do the fold over method until the very end. And again, I'm able to do this because my wefts are thin enough for it to be flat enough for the wigs to not have that bulky look. My business is called Curls for Crowns. We are located here in Toronto. So I do wigs, I do braids, I do weave installations. I honestly do it all. My main focus is natural hair. So I do all these protective styles, but my main focus is making sure that the natural hair is protected underneath. And I feel that is a major thing that people tend to forget. So while we have these amazing styles, definitely need to focus and care for the natural hair underneath these protective styles, because they cannot be protective unless, our hair is healthy underneath, right? So yes, that's a little bit about my business. Y'all can follow me on Instagram at Curls or Crowns. I will leave it in the description box as well. But yes, I wanted to show you guys in slow-mo that I do double thread, I think it's called, my wefts, just so it has that security. Don't want the wefts falling out or anything of that sort. So I will eventually cut the weft if I have not already. Yeah, I have not done that yet. I will cut the weft and then lock it in by tying a knot at the very, very end of the weft. Continuing on, you guys can just see me style the hair with my blow dryer and the Made for Crowns detangling brush. It comes in pink, teal, and black. So if y'all are interested in a detangling brush and a styling brush that styles and detangles your natural hair and your wigs, this is your best option, y'all. I love this brush so much, again, for the versatility and because I don't have to worry about my natural hair snagging or even my bundles. Like, y'all know that sometimes you have to replace your bundles and your frontals and your closures because the hair is coming out. But with this brush, it doesn't force any hair out that doesn't need to come out. So your bundles, your wigs, you guys can continue watching me style this wig. I want to thank Angui for allowing me this opportunity to gift her this wig. It was one of the most challenging wigs I've done, and the fact that she has stated that this has been the best straight hair she's ever had, I'm just so proud of myself. So I wanted y'all to see how this wig was made. So yeah, you guys can continue watching this wig, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.